Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on Barclays online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Barclays Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now here we can see there is no such option as changing password. So here we can see we do not need to enter our password while logging in to the online banking of Barclays Bank. If you choose for card, we need to enter our card number, and if you go for sort code or account number, we need to enter our sort code and account number. If you have forgotten your membership number, you can go on don't know your membership number, after which we need to enter the code we get in our email or our mobile number we have used while opening the online banking. So this is all we can do to change the membership number, but there is no such option as changing password or creating password in Barclays online banking. That is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.